That's some good jumping. Wow.
Way big. He's way big. He's way big.
He is way big. Hey Daniel, can you show the picture that you're coloring for your mommy? Can you hold it up for the camera? Oh, right on the floor. Yeah, that's right. It says happy birthday, mommy, right? And what is it?
Cake.
It's a cake. Very good. Because today's your mommy's birthday, right? Do you know how old she is? How old is she? Do you know? You know, I asked her, and she said she's turning 30 again.
Mommy's people.
I don't know if we can believe it.
Mommy's people.
Mommy is people. Can you say happy birthday, Mommy?
Happy birthday, Mom.